It does have a great ring to it. National champs, national champs. Now for us here, champion weather here today in the way of the dry air that was in place, still warm. Let's get to the stats, but some storm chances could arrive for some, and we'll get right to it. 82-62, the high, the low. We were a little bit in the ballpark of 85, the record high in 2012. You can see we were well above the typical temps for the time of the year. Started off this morning 50s, some 60s, a little bit crisp as the drier air started off the day. We ended up into the 80s in many cases. Lakefront only 79 with a little wind that was off Pontchartrain. Where we stand right now, some 60s, some 70s. But the dew points are best measure the humidity. The higher the number that goes, the more water vapor in the air we feel. These were in the 50s earlier today that allow those cool temperatures, but the humidity is right back with a dew point near 70. Bogalusa is the last to fall as the south winds today were a little bit stronger, but that's pushed in all that water vapor there from the Gulf of Mexico. Here in the bigger picture for us, you had earlier today in where the game was being played, tornado watches. Now the clusters of those storms are headed our direction. The tail end of some of those storms may skirt some of the area. And that's just back to a warm and humid pattern here. In fact, near record warmth the next few days. But we will have an even stronger cold front coming in midweek. This would come into play for the Easter weekend. Let's look at live Doppler radar, how that lines up with our forecast. All the activity is well north of us right now, but this does show as late overnight tonight and early morning hours, the North Shore, we got a shot. Some showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but the latest data really showed that this is really going to be north into Mississippi. The Storm Prediction Center did kind of bring down the very lowest level risk of a chance of severe storm. That's a level 1 category out of 5. The way I'm going to put this tonight, 90% chance of storms way north, only about a 40% chance for the northern part of the North Shore. And I mean, we really don't have a storm chance if you go south of I-12 and I-10. And then we got low temperatures tomorrow in the 60s to near 70-degree range, getting the kids back to school. One of those maybe a light jacket in the morning, then shorts and tees in the afternoon. Break away the cloud cover to a beautiful sunny day. Let's go partly cloudy. Take temperatures into the mid to upper 80s, some nearing 90, but when you factor in humidity, it's going to feel a little bit warmer than what it is, and the winds kick in too. Still have a near exercise caution. Lake Pontchartrain, some of the open waters. Tidal range starting to increase as well. Just a quick Mariners forecast. Into Tuesday morning, we have a little bit of fog potential. I think this is mostly marine fog coming in. Could go on shore. Low temperatures this time, low 70s to start. Plenty of sun after low clouds. The fog break in the afternoon brings temperatures right back again into the mid to upper 80s because of those south winds that kick in. Some might be nearing 90. And yeah, that is near record warmth. Unfortunately, in Tuesday, more areas that were hit by devastating tornadoes last week could be under the gun yet again. Just wanted to show that since that was such a big story coming in. The record warmth, just to kind of compound on that, or at least to get a little bit more in depth on it, look at these high temperatures. Records could be falling here over the next several days here. We were near it here today, and we're going to be also looking for it to come the next 3. Then by midweek, we get a front that starts to arrive. So on top of the near record warmth, we'll cool down just a little bit, but this front kind of goes back and forth as a weak cold front, weak warm front, then a stationary front. Kind of get the idea. When the front is here, it's here for a while. It'll keep a chance of storms in the mix into and through the Easter weekend. Your record warmth could be a little morning fog to start. By the time we get close to Good Friday, temperatures ease back closer to average for the time of the year. The chance of storms, though, will come into play by the end of the week and through the Easter weekend.